Well, hello guys, let's come back to this. Sam's throwing turbo on it. So he got some eBay turbo. He didn't buy a kit. He bought a Jack Spanier manifold. I believe this is $400. I think this is also Jack Spanier turbo. I don't know, which is $200. He's recycling the intercooler from his race car. Just modified the pipings from the intercooler to the center feed. He's gonna replace that, and then charge pipe from the turbo to here. He went and got a Jack Spanier, just trying to keep the theme eBay, right? Throttle body, which is the same as the Ross Jack Spanier. 90 says right there, 90 millimeter. This thing is going boost, stock internals, nothing changed. Goal is 600. Anything above 500 is probably gonna be good. He got the return line fitted right there, which goes the tensioner cover. You see that thing right there on the ground? It replaces it, and that'll make it easier. So all he really has to do is plumb the line. I think he's talking about connecting the downpipe with the exhaust, so he's gonna run exhaust again. That's the update on this car. So this car will probably get a K24. I do want to continue with a stock K24, or at least a K24. It's gonna be stock when we first swap it. See the big difference between AG and Integra. For now, I gotta clear all this out. I bought 3 shelvings, which looks like that. So I want to get the shelvings up, so that way we can start putting things on the shelf and not have such a mess. And then we can pull Pete's car in here and replace the turbo. So yeah, let me get organized here and then I'll be right back. Let's see. Just forgot. This thing has a wideband O2. Let's unplug it. There you go. This is the new turbo, guys. All right, guys. Well, then it looks like I got to run down to 1320. The feed line is not the same. I got to run down to 1320 and get some turbo fittings for it. All right, right back. Good morning, guys. It's actually been about a week since this car was finished. This car is officially done. We do have to get a longer hose. You have to add coolant. It's low. That's why I have the cap off. Downpipe is on. We had to modify it and we rewrapped it. We were able to use the same turbo blanket. We did have to get a new Vibrant oil feed. It's got the restrictor on it. This is ball bearing. I think that's the only new thing we had to get. And somebody asked about the vacuum line, I guess, for the boost gauge and boost controller. This one did not came with a nipple that's on here like the other turbo. So what my son did is drill and tap. It's a pipe thread. Drill and tap it, so that way he can put the output on it. Should have put it on the side, but it's got, you know, stampings on it. It clears the hood, so it should be okay. When you do that, remove the housing. Don't just drill it with the housing still on it. And make sure you blow it out really good so you don't have any metal shavings going into your engine. We thought this was it, so I removed this, but I think he said this is might have been for the sensor. This doesn't fit on there. Already got the revised tune on it. Just waiting for an appointment at the dyno so we can take this at the dyno and finish tuning it. Until then, see you next time.